सर्व सद्गुण संपन्ना गीता भक्ति परायणा भवितुं जीवनेऽस्माकं जागृता बालका वयम् उत्थाने राष्ट्रधर्मस्य विज्ञानदृष्टिमाशिता विवेकानन्दमार्गेण वयं सर्वे समर्पिताः।
A A E E O O. Now everyone has to repeat with me. A A
A A
E E
E E
U U
U U
A I
A I
U Au
U Au
Aha
Ah
K
K
K
Kh
G
G
Gh
Gh
N
N
Ch
Ch
Ch.
Ch.
Oh, Mom, it's you. I thought Papa has come. Mom, do you know how to write K, Kh, G?
Look, Vishnu, I can only write small a and big a, that's it. And you have written that correctly. Okay, leave this and eat food now. And where is your papa?
He went to Hari Uncle's farm.
Okay, first you have lunch. And yes, please collect dry twigs and sticks. I need it to cook food, okay? Come on, have lunch.
Ch
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 J
J
J
J
N
N
T
T
Th
Th
D.
D.
So has everyone noted it down?
Yes, teacher.
The class is over for today, but please be on time tomorrow, okay?
A A E E U U Re. A. I. O. Ow. Ah.
Ka.
K.
Kha.
Kh.
Ga.
G.
Gha.
G.
Very good. Hey, wait. Why are you running? You read it correctly. Do you want to study? Then why don't you come to school?
Vishnu!
Hey, listen. Listen to me.
Hey, Vishnu! God knows where this boy goes. Why you came from school's direction?
Actually, Mom had asked for twigs and sticks for burning. I was collecting them.
Okay. Come. Let's go home.
Today, when there are few kids who are getting educated in big AC schools, there are still few kids who do not get chance to go to school. Reason may be different, but importance of education nobody can know better than these kids. For these students, education is like a priceless gift whom they want to keep safely in their life.
Wait. Come here. You keep whiling your time whole day. Why don't you come to school? Are you not interested in studying?
Teacher, my son is very much interested in study. And whatever you teach in class, he listens to it carefully and try to study.
Then you should send him to school from tomorrow.
But his father will not agree to it. He thinks that we have lost our elder son because of education. He thinks that way. If he would not have thought of educating him, he would not have gone to city. Nor those college students would have dragged him, and nor he would have met with an accident.
I can understand your pain. But accident can't stop us from living. We have to move on in life. You need to speak to his father about this.
Mom, see, I have written K, Kh, G.
Very good. Wow, Vishnu, you are very intelligent. You get full marks for this. What happened? Why are you looking nervous? Tell me. Hey. Hey, listen to me.
Yes, tell me. Do you have some work?
I want to talk to you about Vishnu's education. So can we... In today's age, education is very important. If you send him to school, then...
Why? We are illiterate, that means we are starving? We earn our livelihood by farming. And we are not working under someone. And I don't want Vishnu to go to school.
And if Vishnu
Even
wants
he
to...
doesn't want to go. And what he wants and what he doesn't want, that I will decide. And this is my earnest request to you. Do not try to put wrong thoughts in Vishnu or Vishnu's mother's mind and stay away from them. It will be good for you.
Don't worry, Vishnu. If you want to study, you'll definitely get to study. So today we will learn to read tables and you all will repeat after me. Okay?
Okay.
2 ones are 2.
2 ones are 2.
2 twos are 4.
2 twos are 4.
2 threes are 6.
2 threes are 6.
2 fours are 8.
2 fours are 8.
2 fives are 10.
2 fives are 10.
2 sixes are 12.
2 sixes are 12.
2 sevens are 14.
2 sevens are 14.
2 eights are 16.
2 eights are 16.
2 nines are 18.
2 nines are 18.
2 tens are 20.
2 tens are 20.
2 tens are 20. Teacher. This is yesterday's homework. I did it without Papa's knowledge. But I did not have a copy and a pencil. So I got this paper from here outside the school. I got one pencil too. So I used both of them. Please check it. Now Papa is about to come. I'll leave.
Kids, you have to study very hard and with a lot of dedication. If somebody wants to learn with a lot of dedication, then no difficulty can ever discourage him. Because God helps those who help themselves. Did you understand that?
How come, Didi?
For example, if someone wants to study but does not have the resource, then he should go to the temple and make an honest prayer to God. Then he will get every material that he required.
Then he can get books to teacher, Didi.
Yes, of course. It can also happen that God would be waiting for him in the temple with all the books and notes.
Teacher's got loudspeaker in her throat. Or she thinks that kids are deaf. Why does she shout so much? Vishnu, I'm going to the farm, okay?
Okay, Papa.
Give me some water, Girja. I will come in sometime.
We have seen people hiding expensive stuff many times, but seeing someone hiding books for the first time. By the way, what can be more expensive than education? Education is the only ornament which can make everyone's life and make anyone's personality charming, and can make a man perfect in true sense with all means.
Girja,
Yes?
please bring the ink pad for fingerprints.
Okay.
What happened?
Nothing.
Then give it to me.
Wait, Papa!
Hmm?
Don't give your thumbprint on these papers.
Why?
Did you make someone read these papers?
Listen, my son, these papers are made by Hariya Chacha. He is my childhood friend. And Girja, I am taking 1 lakh rupees for Tubewell for a year on 1% interest only, which we will return in next year. That is what is written in it.
But Papa, it is better if someone reads it, right?
You guys simply don't understand.
But if our son is saying it, then why don't you ask someone to read it?
I think you have also become mad like your son. Give it to me.
Wait, Papa! It's written it's not 1 lakh. Instead, you're taking 2 lakh rupees. And that's not 1% interest, on 10% interest. And if you won't be able to return the money in a month's time, then our land will belong to him.
What? Hariya? But how did you come to know what is written in these papers?
Actually, I read it myself.
Read it? Come with me. Even after giving you a warning, how dare you teach my son Vishnu?
First, you have to tell me, even if I help Vishnu in getting educated, how are you going to suffer?
No loss is done to us. In fact, because of Vishnu, today we saved our farm.
This copy belongs to the kid who stood first in class. And that child is none other than your own son Vishnu. The child who has never been to school. He learned everything outside the class. Just imagine, if you support his education, he can reach greater heights. One day I asked my kids to write an essay in class. And do you know what Vishnu wrote? He wrote that my father is so hardworking that he works day and night in the farm. He wants to study and adopt new technologies for his father's farming, which will help his father in agricultural growth. And he has written so many other good things about you.
Today, because of Vishnu, our farm was saved. To keep his wealth property safe, a man needs to be well educated. Otherwise, he may lose everything anytime.
I have only one request to make. Please do not allow your elder son's past to affect your younger son Vishnu's bright future. That was an accident. I know it is difficult for any father. But that father has to encourage his other son's dreams too. Who wants to study and aspires to become big.
You want to study, right? You study with all your heart. No one will stop you. Nobody, not even your Baba.
His father's stubbornness in front of his child's education desire and a teacher's appeal put down all his weapon. Even after stopping Vishnu's education for so many years, he never stopped liking towards educating himself. In fact, in scarcity of resources and without going to school too, he studied and won hearts of his teachers and parents. And all this happened because of his true dedication. Now you think, do you have such dedication?